start the day. That is a true diaper striper. I gotta measure this guy. 16 and a half. That is a true diaper. How cute is that? That's so cute. Little baby stripe. It's a good start. I've been out here 5 minutes. Got a fresh prophecy pipe. Mimics the colors of a sandworm. Glistens just like a sandworm. Works every day. All times of the day. Except at night. I don't do well at night. Hit it on the full. Hand line it the rest of the way. See that? I just went up that rock, came out left, and then I zigged and came back in. But I think he hit it as I was letting line out. Nice little school. Strong guy, man. He was taking out drag. His little size. Let's get a quick measurement. It's 22. Beautiful. I love these guys. It's a hot one today, guys. Really hot out. I don't know how long I'm going to troll for, but that was worth it. Picked up one really small one earlier, and then just that one. You know, it's been like an hour in between fish, so I don't know how much longer I'm going to do it. It's just after 12 o'clock now. It's getting really hot, so I'm going to keep going because I got hit at that rock just before I turned the camera on and it felt big. So I was like, let me turn the camera on in case I hook into, you know, 40, 50 inch class fish. But I only got that guy, but I'm gonna do it again. Too big, but it was a good hit. Both pursuit. Fish like that, and that little tension when you grab the leader, that could be the time when you lose the fish. There's a 100-pound leader, and I'm in 3 feet of water, and these fish have no problem. I don't know if they can see it. I don't think they can because they're hitting it. Past the uni now. I tried a few times to make it as small as possible, but the eyes on this rod are just so thin. Been pretty good. Nice fish. Nice fish. Another one on the Granny Canyon. Brand new Granny Canyon. You see those colors? Beautiful fish. 31. Yep, 31. That's fun. I knew they'd be hanging out there. Got one out like 30, 40 yards, but that was right where I thought they would be. A little bit of sea lice on his head. Cutie. Starting to get smaller. Hope I didn't miss my window for your grandparents. His great-grandparents is what I want. So I decided to put on the camera and see what this thing looks like underwater. Keep making the leader shorter and shorter because this water is so dark. It's like 3 feet, but I can't even see the bottom. So I don't even know if any of this is going to come out, but I'm still trying. So I wasted a lot of time doing this, but hopefully it wasn't a real waste. Hopefully I get something out of it, some type of footage, and learn something. That's the most important thing. That leader was so short. But I was making a turn. I was coming at this rock just like last time. I made a right. Right as I'm turning, kid. Not a big fish. It's definitely striking. They're so long. I'm going to lose them. I really didn't think he would hit it. I couldn't resist the shine of this tube because I want to be able to see it underwater. I guess that's about, I think that's shy of 3 feet. If it is, max is 3 feet. That's the worm right there on the line. But look, it's right there. So I would think, I would assume that this would scare them away and be like, oh, something's wrong with this giant camera, giant black thing in front of it. But 100-pound leader still hit this thing. It's amazing. Look at that thing shine in the sun. Can't wait to see what it looks like on the footage underwater. Its colors change underwater, but these are the colors of a sandworm, and that's why I designed it this way. Got another one on the camera. Same trick, same rock. Just went to the rock and made a left, and right as I was turning, I had no line out. No line. Same trick on the same rock. Same lure. All on the props plate. Alright, buddy, I'm gonna let you go. No strike. Excuse me, that's a 130-pound leader. 130-pound KastKing monofilament leader line. Still hit it. You got to be persistent. If you want to catch a lot of fish and big fish, it's not just going to happen. Good things don't come easy. I'm not going to lie to you guys and say buy this lure and you're going to catch a lot of fish. We'll catch fish with it. If you're trolling it and you got a sandworm on there, you're going to catch fish with it. But you got to put in a little bit of work. Just like if you were to buy a bucktail or anything else, nothing just comes to you. There's no magic, no magic trick to catch fish. You do have to put in work no matter what it is. That's good. So I just went to turn that other camera on, and I gave him a little bit of slack. Hopefully I didn't loosen that hook up in his mouth. He's good. Hopefully I get him in the boat. canny, baby. Effective 100%. Nice fish. It's good. Still got a lot of energy. Just gonna get a measurement of you and you're going back. Oh, no, he's over 40. Oh no, he's not. He's 39. 39 inch. Woo! That was exciting. That was fucking exciting. You gotta be persistent. You gotta just keep trying because they will eventually eat the hook. That guy did not touch the tail. I felt nothing first. There was no bites like that has been happening. That guy just ate the hook. He probably put the whole, a good portion of that pipe in his mouth. That's why I got him in the boat. So I'm gonna eat now. Maybe I'll turn this thing back on later. Depends on how much battery I have later. I thought I was just live on my Instagram that whole time. I had my phone hanging out of my pocket and I was live the whole time. That take was awesome, man. That guy hit it and ran. But I don't think it worked. Nothing like that last one, but definitely a fish. Definitely a striker. 29. Yeah, it's 29. Damn, man, I should put that guy in the cooler. I don't think he'd fit though. Really, part of me really wants to take a striker home. And this size is the perfect size. But I want to keep fishing, so I'm not gonna swim. Sometimes you gotta rub their belly. Little guy. Oh yeah, Brian, it's a good fish. Eat that pencil, man. Don't go crazy, don't go crazy. Lift it out. Come on, man. That was a fucking one. Yeah, I'm out. Oh, I got him. Got him? Yeah, thank God I got that first try or I would have lost this. It's a nice one? Or? It's a little chunker. This is a slot fish, probably. Brazil 32. Yeah? No. Sucked to take that. Yeah, Brian! You got one! A fluke! You got a fluke! Nice.